Welcome to Allianz Stadium. It is a pretty good night in Sydney weather-wise for the Waratahs up against the Hurricanes from New Zealand, the fourth and final Trans-Tasman derby for this weekend in Super Rugby.
They're a patient team, aren't they, Kearns? You watch this lineup, they'll look to just set up their attacking structure. They'll have a little bit of poke. They like to come back to the short side often, wherever the space is, and they pick their moments. And let's see what happens here.
Corey Jane with the kick and the chase. A chance here for the Hurricanes. Brilliant stuff. Burden Barrett, first try of the night. 4 metres out. They won't stop him. Over he goes. Foley narrows the gap right on half-time. 1 point in it. Foley. Folau. Limited opportunities. Israel Folau. Over the line. And what a try. First real opportunity in the match. And he has nailed it. It's going to come back. And Barrett. They're lining up out wide. Savia. And it is try time to Corey Jane. Good tackle from Hooper. And Barrett goes wide and they float it over to Savia with a run to the line. Julian Savia. The bus. Not stopping this time. So full time at Allianz Stadium. The Hurricanes from New Zealand have beaten the Waratahs 28 points to 17.